Welcome to the top best. The best half-cover nail tips is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly nail enhancement options available today. They offer a fantastic way to add length and style to your nails without the full coverage of other tip types. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner, these tips provide a quick and easy solution for achieving a professional-looking manicure at home. Number 5. KROFAUE 500 PCS Clear False Nails Tips. This set includes 500 clear false nail tips in 10 different sizes. Each size is individually numbered, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your fingers. It's convenient and efficient. The acrylic French nail tips come in a sturdy plastic box. This protects them from damage and keeps them organized. Each compartment holds 50 tips, making it simple to classify and store them. These half-cover nail tips are designed with the ideal length and thickness. You can wear them long or cut them short, depending on your preference. They are versatile for any style. You can easily trim and file these clear nail tips to any length or shape you desire. They hold color well and look natural. You can add decorations to create your own unique designs. These professional nail tips make a wonderful gift for any occasion. Give them to your female friend for Christmas, birthdays, or any special event. She will love them. What we like. This product offers a wide range of sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. The sturdy storage box keeps them organized and protected. If you're looking for a versatile option that you can easily trim and shape to your liking, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy application. Very strong. Looks and blends natural and shapes well. They are the perfect thickness. I haven't had one break on me yet. Once filed, they are a more natural look. These tips are great quality. Have not had them break. Very strong. They have small divot on them to show you where to put them on your nails. Comes with heaps of tips and versatile sizes. Number 4. Buqikma Short Oval Nail Tips. These nail tips are made of high-quality ABS material, a green and durable choice. They are designed to last for at least 1 to 3 weeks. The medium thickness ensures a comfortable fit on your fingers. You'll receive 600 clear short nail tips in 12 different sizes, clearly marked for easy selection. Each size is stored separately within the box, making it simple to find the perfect fit for your nails. These short nail tips feature a half-cover design with a moderate length and thickness. The U-shaped design provides a strong and natural look. These fake nails are easy to apply and paint. They hold color well without separating or streaking. You can pair them with nail paint and decorations for a more natural look. These short nail tips are suitable for both professionals and beginners. They are ideal for nail salons and DIY nail art at home, perfect for any occasion, including holidays like Halloween and Christmas. What we like. Made from high-quality ABS material, this product is designed to last. With a short and practical design, it's perfect for everyday wear. If you value convenience and durability, this is the ideal choice for both professionals and beginners. What people say. These tips are thin enough where minimal filing is needed to lay flesh with your real nails, yet not too thin as they don't chip break over time, at least not for me. They're flexible, which I would compare to closely being the flexibility of your real nails, which works for me best since they do not pop off from me using my hands during everyday activities as well as when doing harder work and using my hands heavier, like yard work, which I have experienced the opposite result of that when using other brands in which are more stiff, thicker. But my favorite thing about these tips, and really the main reason I come back and continue to buy these, is due to the fact that they are smaller, when speaking about the width, compared to most other brands, which isn't always easy to find. Number 3. MORGLES Acrylic Nail Tips Kit. This kit includes everything you need for beautiful nails. It comes with 500 clear nail tips, nail gels, a clipper, and more. You can easily create stunning nail art at home. The nail tips are made from high-quality ABS material, which is both light and durable. They are non-toxic and won't harm your nails. Each set includes 10 different sizes, making it easy to find the perfect fit. The included nail files and buffers help you shape and smooth your nails. The clipper allows you to quickly trim the tips to your desired length. These tools ensure your gel polish will stick firmly and last longer. These nail tips are easy to trim, paint, and apply. They hold color well without separating or streaking. With a little paint and decoration, your nails can look incredibly natural. This kit is perfect for both professional nail artists and beginners. It's great for salons or DIY nail art at home. Use it for weddings, parties, or any special occasion to keep your nails beautiful and charming. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a great value. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's designed to be safe and long-lasting. If you're a beginner or a seasoned nail artist looking for a comprehensive kit, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Perfect for my granddaughter. She loved it, not bad quality. Love that it came with all the necessities. Nail tips are perfect sizes and not too thin or too thick. Easy to apply and cut easily. I got this set to start making press-ons. Everything you need to get started is in this set. I love the variety of sizes and the tools are so helpful. Number 2. Ranrose Almond Nail Tips 240 PCS. These almond nail tips from Ranrose are made from premium gelly material. They are flexible and sturdy, able to regain their shape without leaving marks or cracking. You'll find they fit your nails naturally. With proper application, these almond false nails can last over 3 weeks. They won't damage your nails. You can confidently type, do chores, and handle daily tasks. Each set includes 240 PCS in 12 sizes, with numbers on each tip for easy selection. The set includes 2 extra sizes to ensure a perfect fit for any nail size, providing a customized experience. These nail tips are perfect for gel polish, acrylics, dip powder, and more. They're great for salon use or DIY nail art at home with friends. Please note that nail glue is not included. If you're looking for a gift, these Ranrose Almond nail tips are a perfect choice. With their beautiful appearance and practical features, they are a great gift for birthdays, parties, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day. What we like. Featuring a stylish almond shape and a built-in matte texture, this product offers a unique look. They are designed to last for weeks without damaging your nails. If you like a trendy look that's also comfortable and long-lasting, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size and shape. Thickness is questionable, but after setting it with builder gel the quality was just as durable as the more expensive brands. They fit well, they're easy to apply, they're tapered at the tip, and they feel great on. Very easy to blend into your natural nail. Perfect for a small top and great sizes for fingertips. Number 1. MEKK Stiletto Nail Tips, 600 PCS, 10 sizes. Introducing the MEKK Stiletto Nail Tips. This set includes 600 pieces in 10 different sizes, perfect for most fingers. It's everything you need for stunning nail art. These nail tips are made from high-quality ABS material, ensuring they last. ABS is also an environmentally friendly material, making the nails durable and breathable. You won't feel any pressure on your natural nails, and they fit perfectly. With 10 sizes and 60 nails per size, you can easily find the perfect fit. Each tip is pre-numbered for easy identification. You can also customize the length by trimming them to your desired style. These tips are great for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. They're perfect for weddings, dates, or any special occasion. It's also a wonderful gift for friends and family. Choose MEKK for a stylish, high-quality product. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us through Amazon customer services. What we like. These nails are designed with a striking stiletto shape, perfect for making a statement. Made from high-quality ABS material, they are durable and long-lasting. If you want to stand out with a bold and fashionable nail design, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These tips I've had since 2021 and they are strong. They fit the nail nicely and frames the nail bed, making it easy on acrylic application. I have used them so far for acrylic gel nails and I love them. They are very lightweight and hold up well with the constant washing and banging that they go through with my clumsiness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.